Hello, Miss Saw, Miss Madmore's class. This is lesson 8 on module 5 for the homework. And Mr. Habecker already did all of this with you if you already watched his video. He even started problem 2 with you on Suni's bedroom. And this is Suni's actual bedroom. So this is the volume of the bedroom right here. And we found out that it was 1,100 feet or 1,100 feet cubed. And then we know that we want her den to be the same height. So we kept it at 10. Because usually it's length times width times height, but the volume has doubled. So that's why we took this number and we times it by 2. So the den volume has to be 2,200 feet cubed. And if we know length times width times height, if we know that this is going to be length times width, and we're going to come up with the length times width, but we know the height is 10, we can divide this 2,200 by 10, and that will give us 220, which means the length and the width need to equal 220. And we have to come up with 2 different sets of dimensions for this den. So one way to come up with 220 would be 20, and 20 times 10 would be 200, so 20 times 11 would be 220. So that one would work for the length and the width. And a second way that you could come up with 220 is you could say that the length was 22, and we know 22 times 10 would be 220. So that would also be 220. So the possible dimensions for her den, could be, if we took these measurements, it would be 11 by 20 by 10, and these are all in feet. That could be one measurement. Another measurement you could have, you can hear my dog is barking at everything. So another measurement you could have, second measurement you could have is this one, 22 feet by 10 feet, and then the height is still 10 feet. So that's 2 possibilities. You might have come up with another possibility, but those are the 2 that I came up with and that I'll print on your answer sheet that I print. And that was only 1 page of homework tonight, or 1 page of homework for this lesson. So we'll move on to the problem set. All right, guys, thanks.